This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda Carlton. Stunning lakefront retreat in the sought-after community of Boca Del Mar. Upon entering, you are greeted by an airy and open floor plan that seamlessly blends comfort and style. The spacious kitchen has been updated with stainless steel appliances, elegant granite countertops, ample cabinetry, eat-in space and a huge pantry for all of your culinary storage needs. The upstairs boasts 2 primary bedrooms, each with an ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet and new plank flooring throughout. Step outside to your private patio where you can soak in the picturesque lake views, perfect for entertaining or enjoying peaceful evenings. Also included are accordion shutters for storm protection and an upstairs washer and dryer for convenience. As part of the Boca Walk development, you will enjoy the community. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Carlton at 561-889-4603.